Uploading a schedule from Excel. In the left-hand navigation, under Scheduling, you'll see a link in the middle of the page which says Upload Schedules from an Excel for a flight. When you click on this link, you'll be able to upload an Excel document once you've done some basic preparation. Click here and you'll get a blank version of the upload template. The upload template consists of several headers. The first column is game number, date, time, field ID, home team, away team, round type code. Let me explain what these mean. Game number will always be 0. So this will create a new game when you have 0 listed in this field. The date will be the date of the game, which will always be a required field. The time, which will be the time of the game. The field ID number, I'll show you where to get that here in a second. The home team and the away team. Round type code will always be B for a league environment. The bottom of the page explains these field headers and what everything should be. So, to begin the preparation, what we need to do is build the first part of the bracket in order to upload a schedule. So in this instance, you can see we have 8 teams and we're going to assign them a position A1 through A8. So let's do that. The easiest way to do this is to click on Flight Schema, Bracket Play, choose the flight you're going to be working on. You have 8 teams. And we'll put them in one group and create bracketing. From here, we're going to assign these teams based on our Excel template. So as an example, A1 will be Pacific Northwest Maroon, East Side Red, FC Alliance, Sting, BNC Galaxy, Eastside Timbers, NPS River, Westside Timbers Copa. And I click Save. Our upload template is going to be matching against the description field. So you'll notice here that I've matched the teams against the upload I'm working on. That's all we need to do to now upload the schedule. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to update the start time interval. So when these games are uploaded, they're uploaded in 60-minute blocks. So I put the start time interval as 60, and now I'm ready to finish my upload template to actually get it uploaded into the system. Okay, so game number, which will be 0 to create a new game, my date, my time, my field ID number, my home team and away team. Now home team and away team is actually matching against this description. Where do I get the field ID numbers? The field ID numbers will be listed under Fields and Venues and Print Field ID numbers. So here's the field ID number column. So as an example, I'm going to be working on scrolling down. Okay, Seattle TBD. So I can use this field ID number. So I copy this field ID number and I put it in my template for my field ID numbers. I do a find and replace with my team names in order to get the A5 versus A4 in this spreadsheet, which is ready to upload. So the way that works is I go like this. FC Alliance is there going to be A3. So if I copy this and I do Control F, I can paste that in and I can say replace FC Alliance with A3, replace all. Once I've replaced all of my team name descriptions with the system value, then I'll be ready to upload. My final upload template will look like this when I'm uploading it. I've got my game numbers all listed as zeros. I have a date in here in every date field. I have a time. I have a field ID which corresponds with the system. Then I've got the home team, away team descriptions that are matching against the system. Then I have the round type code as B. At this point, I'm ready to go ahead and upload this schedule. So if I click on scheduling, I can click on this link right here, upload schedules from an Excel flight. I choose the flight I'm uploading to, and I browse for the file. Open the file, read the file, and it shows me the file I'm about to upload. Update selected schedules, and the schedule's been loaded. At this point, I'm done with this one. The schedule's been uploaded to the system. I can review the schedule immediately and make any changes to it. So if I click on Schedule Map, I can see Boys Under 13 has been uploaded. I can click on my game times detail and see the detail for the schedule. I can also click on Publish in the left-hand navigation. Click on the non-bolded words for the flight I just worked on. I can see the 8 teams that I input in the flight schemas, and I can see the schedule that I just uploaded. If I go to Scheduling, Assign Game Schedule Manually, choose Boys Under 13, search for my games, I can also make additional adjustments to these games internally. Thank you.